Let's take a look at creating manual journal entries in K9. Now if we go to Financial, General Ledger, and Journal Entry, I'll get this form. So the first thing to note is every document in K9 that generates a journal entry can be found in here. So you can view anything that's ever been done in the system. But to create a manual journal entry, simply select the date you want the entry to post on, and of course any due date or any references that you like. Now the transaction type over here, miscellaneous, complex entry, and things like that, these are all documents within the system or ones that we created ourselves. So if I just leave it a miscellaneous, I can go ahead and create whatever transactions I want. Let's go ahead and create a dollar on this debit side from petty cash. And just for an example, let's say a building lease, we'll create a dollar credit on that side. So if I go ahead and save it, the only thing left to do is change the status to confirmed. Now keep in mind that the balances have to match up and be zeroed out for a journal entry to be posted. And once it does, you'll get that journal entry number, a confirmed status, and it is done. You'll get a checkbox over to let you know it's reversed it. And if posted, if we ever reverse it, that checkbox will light up as well. Now, this is a default transaction type that we created. If you'd like to create custom transaction types that will populate the account with whatever you predefined, you go to Financial, Financial Management, and Journal Entry Patterns. Once you open this up over here, you'll see there's checkboxes on some of these for system default. These are default transactions within K9 that are going to be in there once you populate the system. But if you want to create your own, simply create your own pattern over here. Give it a name and a description. So we'll call it, let's say 500, car lease. Okay. And I can go ahead and save this, and I can choose. Let's put in our detail over here so we have something that shows up on documents. And I can choose which accounts are going to be debited and credited. Once I create this, I can choose that pattern within the journal entry, and it'll populate these accounts in there, saving you some time. Again, if you have any questions with this, feel free to call your implementer.